Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Forex Weekly Forecast. Let's look at the key events for next week. We have President Trump's speech on Tuesday, Jan 27th, Federal Fund Rate on Wednesday, Jan 28th at 1 p.m., FOMC press conference on Wednesday, Jan 28th at 1:30 p.m., unemployment claims on Thursday, Jan 29th at 7:30 a.m., core PPI on Friday, Jan 30th at 7:30 a.m. Let's look at the key levels. For DXY, the key levels are current support 95.876, resistance 100.441. Currently, it's trying to test the support 95.743. If it holds this support, then it can go and retest the resistance, that is 100.231. If it's unable to hold the support, the next support is at 89.658. For RSI, it is below 50, currently trading at 33.35. So we have a room to go down and test the support. If we see any divergence at the support, then probability will be to go long at the support. For US dollar, Japanese yen, we have an head and shoulder. If it breaks this support, head and shoulder line, 139.947, it can move down. So currently we have a wedge, rising wedge. So key levels for the rising wedge are 154.7, 154.597, 158.912, if it break the support 154.597, the next support is at 146.247. RSI is curling down, currently trading at 40.33. So we have a room to go down. Euro US dollar currently consolidating between 1.14836 and 1.18280. So it break the consolidation upward, then it can move up towards 1.23078. If it breaks this consolidation downwards, the next support is at 1.10899. RSI is at 65, so room to go up. British pound, US dollar. Support 1.30339, resistance 1.37240. If it get rejected from this resistance, then it can come down till 1.30207. Next support is at 1.20785. RSI is 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. 68.66. and we have a little divergence over here. So if it get rejected, we can see it will move down till the next support, that is 1.29967. For gold, it has broken the channel upward. So next support is at 4775.960, 4535.862. If it get rejected from this resistance, then it can move down to 4769. If we see the retracement of this move, and that is the R 0.5 is lying between 4625, which is between of these two levels, that is 4762 and 4546. So it could come down till these levels for the retracement. Even RSI is showing divergence, so probability is to go down. That's all for the Forex weekly analysis. See you next week.